Okay, thank you for joining me again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Turn up your notification bell and follow so you can get more of this as soon as I'm dropping it. So this, I'll be showing how to clean your vocal. So now basically when you record your vocals, most times, depends on where you record them because of the acoustic treatment and everything, but basically the microphones actually pick up a few noises surrounding your vocal and everything. So now let's see this vocal very well. Now this is the vocal I recorded. This is the vocal I recorded. Now this, you say in between you have these thick dark lines. They're actually minor noises. You see them. So what we have to do now, we have to clean up all these noises in between the vocals. So how do you do that? You come up here, you select this range selection, you click it. It's actually used for highlighting. Then you come here, you click on the place, drag down and hold up. That's it. Then you go to audio, up, you scroll down. First you see process, you come inside the process and you go down to silence. You see silence. So I already created a shortcut to that, which is Z. So I click it. So you see it's gone. The dead there is gone. So because I already created a shortcut to that, that's what we'll be doing. We will be doing that. So this again, click like this, then you go there, you silence it. The same thing here, you go there, you silence it. So basically that's how it's done. That's how it is done. That's how it is done. You go there, process, come down to silence it. So just ensure that every depth you see surrounding your vocal, you can see them. Maybe your breath or some tiny noises in the backgrounds where you were not actually talking. Those are the things there. Look at this place. I clean up this too. Cleaning up. Process. Silence. This too. Go to audio. Process. Silence. That's how it goes. You go to the bar up, click on audio. You see process, enter into process, you scroll down, you see silence. That's it. Then let's clean up everything on this vocal. Like this, and like this. It's a very short vocal though. So like this, and like this. So let's play it with beats. Let's go. Yes. I feel my heart beating, and I know the pain. See? Each beat got something, and I know the gain. Life is a roller coaster. It's okay, you don't believe that. So that's how to clean up that's in between your vocals. So I'll take my time to clean up the rest. So in my next video, I'll show you how we can actually trim this vocal to make it sound better than this. So you can like my video, share, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a message for me anywhere, or you want me to pull up any video or something, I'll pull it up for you. Thank you.